What's going on YouTube? WeskerGriff coming back with a live video of Secret Santa. Got my package in today, just got home from work about 15 minutes ago. My Secret Santa is from brickarmsaddict. And he wants me to open it live. I've never opened anything live, so hopefully this goes smooth. So let's get into it. Let's see what he sent me. Can't get this open. Here we go. Oh. Hopefully, there should be a note in here. Note. Ooh. There's no note. No note. Oh, I gotta pick these up so the dog doesn't get them. Open this pack first. Open this pack first. Alright. Ooh. Here are some cards for your PC from Santa. 1 of 1. Alright, YouTube PC right there. Okay. Roy Holiday, Upper Deck game jersey. Very nice, very nice. Really cool. Sent like a holder. See, J-Roll, who's coming back. Jason Worth. J-Roll. Rookie of Tim Lahey. Howard. Big Red Dog. Ut. Zach Blos. Cliff Lee. Alright, very nice. Hopefully get some autographs on those. Very cool, very cool. And open this pack last. Let's see what's in here. Very nice jersey so far. Whoa. Wow, holy shit. I just kind of saw the big one. Holy fuck. Oh, man. Holiday? Holiday? Oswalt? Mad Dog? David Herndon? Pat the Bat? Very nice. Oh, man, this card is sick. Wow. This is fucking awesome. Wow, holy shit. This is really fucking cool. Let me slow roll this. Zach Britton, bitches. A Zach Britton 2011 Topps Triple Threads 10 of 75 autographed jersey, autograph with the O symbol in the middle. Fucking sick, dude. Sorry for the cursing. Apologize about that. Wow. This is my second Triple Threads card. This shit is not cheap either. I seen these go on eBay for a really nice amount. This is really cool. Wow, thank you so much, brickarmsaddict. Guys, please go give him a sub. I am praying to God that the sound works on this video. I'm going to try to upload this tonight. But guys, flood his channel with subs. I actually just subbed him myself because he's a new guy that I met on the Secret Santa that HX Deuce ran. Thank you, Todd, for running this, and this was phenomenal, phenomenal, phenomenal. Thank you so much, man, for helping me with the Phillies PC, nice holiday jersey, and this triple threads auto. Thank you so much, man. Greatly appreciate it. Really special, man. It's cool to meet a new person on here that I just met through the Secret Santa that I was just introduced to. So, man, I'll really be looking forward to following your videos and everything, man, and getting to know you better. And thank you so much for this huge addition into the Britain PC. It's always going to stay there. And I'm praying to God this video uploads right. So, Merry Christmas, everyone. Thank you so much again. And hope everyone has a awesome, awesome Christmas and an awesome Hanukkah or Kwanzaa, what all y'all celebrate. Thank you so much, guys. Peace, peace, peace.